Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Web. I am Bhageshri. Before getting started with the video, here's a quick announcement. The English Web community hits 4K subscribers. That just happened today. So a big thank you to each one of you who supported me on this journey. I hope we have many more milestones to celebrate in the coming years. So all the best and thank you to all of you. In today's video, I shall be talking about some commonly misused sentences. There are many sentences which can be said in more than just one way. But a lot of times we happen to make mistakes with the usage, mistaking one sentence for the meaning of another sentence. So in today's video, I shall be focusing on some sentences that we commonly misuse. Please subscribe to the English Web and do not forget to click the bell icon to stay notified at all times. The first sentence is I gave an exam versus I took an exam. Now, there is a big difference between these two sentences. The meaning of the first sentence is to give an exam to students. So if you are a teacher, you are giving an exam to a student or students. So that is when you use the word gave. On the contrary, you use took when you have sat for an exam. There is a very big difference between asking how are you and asking how are you doing. If you want to ask somebody as to whether they're doing fine or not, you ask how are you doing, because that is what you want to know. When you ask how are you, you're trying to know if the person is good or bad. So, that is not what you intend to ask. So make sure that, you ask how are you doing if you're greeting a person. One tip over here would be to use good as an adjective and use well as an adverb. That will really help you understand the difference better. I am angry at her for lying. Now, the reason why I have used this is because we commonly use the preposition at after angry, which is incorrect. The actual word that you must use is with. So you are angry. I'm angry with her for lying. Alternatively, when you're using the word mad, that is when you use the word at. So if you're using at, make sure you use the word mad. And if you're using angry, you must use with. So there is a difference, so make sure you use the right preposition. She entered an argument when her friend did not agree with her. Now, the mistake over here, like I'm sure you must have assumed, is entered an argument. So what is missing here is the preposition into. Yes. Now, when do you use that? When you are entering into an argument, you are not physically entering. So when something is tangible, that is when you use enter. And when something is intangible, you use she entered into, because you cannot touch that or you cannot physically enter. Her weight decreased from exercising too much. Now, yes, the problem with this is the word decreased. Now, we often get confused between the meanings of reduce and decrease. You use decrease when something has naturally become smaller, as something that you do not really have any control over directly. And you use reduce when somebody has actually worked on, kind of making something smaller. So if you're telling somebody that, her weight decrease from exercising too much, you have to use reduce because she worked on reducing her weight. And when do I use the word decreased? We are decreasing her importance by comparing her with somebody who does not respect her. So that is when you use the word decreased. So these are some of the sentences I feel are commonly misused, and I hope you all understood the difference between, how to use which sentence and in which situation. So if you all have liked this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button. Yes, keep the love coming, guys, and I shall see you guys soon. Goodbye.